Listen to this crowd, guys. They're fired up for this one.
As well as they should be. This match has instant classic written all over it.
Making his way to the ring from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the ECW World Heavyweight Champion, The Rock!
Electrifying man in all of entertainment.
The biggest box office draw around the globe and one of the greatest WWE superstars ever.
Welcome to Balor Club.
And from Brent,
James Dean Cool, John Wayne
weighing
Tough.
in at 190 pounds, the WWE Cruiserweight Champion, Finn Balor.
One of the most incredible athletes to ever step foot in WWE, Finn Balor.
A bona fide superstar the world over, Finn Balor seems to get better, faster, stronger, and more dangerous every single week in WWE. A truly global superstar, a phenomenon amongst the WWE Universe.
2 from Kona, Hawaii, weighing in at 244 pounds, the Bear, Bob Barker.
This is it. This is the match we've all been waiting for.
And the electricity level in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt.
Combined weight of 454 pounds, the Raw Tag Team Champions, Raiden and Rob Van Dam, the Anarchists.
The atmosphere inside this arena for this one is absolutely insane, guys.
And if you think this is insane, just wait until this thing kicks into high gear. You ain't seen nothing yet.
If their love wasn't apparent during that entrance, the WWE Universe is firmly behind Finn Balor.
And man, I never get tired of watching these guys compete.
Finn Balor is in action, and I can see a lot of Balor Club members here tonight.
Byron, could you do me a favor and point them out? I just want to know who to avoid after the show tonight.
Oh, right to the face. Double underhook suplex. Yanked him right off the apron.
Oh, no.
What a stomp. Good grief. Back in from the floor. Oh, my God, a clothesline. Bringing it back into the ring.
Got the leg. Oh! Dragon Whip connects.
Wicked clothesline.
Things not looking great for Finn Balor. He came into this match expecting a fight, and that's exactly what he's getting. I know it's early, but if things stay the way they are, winning this match might just be a pipe dream for him.
Boom! Tag made. What a strike.
This really has been an amazing pay-per-view up to this point, which really shouldn't surprise anybody, especially given how stacked the card is.
Oh, clothesline. The excitement level is incredibly high, as Corey was saying, and it's been that way since well before the doors even opened. Earlier this afternoon, WWE.com cameras caught the scene as thousands of fans were outside the arena just waiting to get inside.
That really was a great video, Michael. It was like a mass of humanity just waiting for the doors to open so they can spill into their seats. I gotta say, those guys at WWE.com do a great job. They don't miss a thing.
Oh, so tear the features clean off your face.
Devastating. Oh, and he makes the tag.
That was a game changer right there, Michael.
Oh, flying forearm. That'll turn your lights out.
Harsh impact.
Dominating shoulder tackle.
A knee right to the face.
That knee is a lethal weapon.
Lariat. Oh, what impact.
That's
call it like it is, guys. It doesn't get much bigger than this. A featured match on a major WWE pay-per-view. This is huge for these superstars.
Clothesline!
Off with their head.
Ooh!
Oh, nasty impact.
He's starting to stagger a bit. He's going to have to cut off his opponent's offense quickly. If things don't change in a hurry, this has all the makings of a short evening for him.
Corey noted earlier just how big this is for these superstars. This is why they choose to get into this business. This is why they spend those countless hours training a match on the big stage.
And you can bet all the WWE hopefuls training in the Performance Center are watching this pay-per-view tonight, hoping it'll be them competing on a WWE pay-per-view in the very near future.
Irish whip. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Dragon screw.
That'll tear your knee up.
Face first.
Gosh.
Nailed it. Gutbuster.
You gotta believe this one's over. Boom, what impact.
Axe handle finds the mark. Deconstructing the knee there.
Oh, going to the top. High risk. Homeless, look out! Oh, an elbow drop!
Oh, it's a piercing elbow.
In off the tag. Oh, an enziguri.
He's not looking like himself here.
He's still got plenty of gas left in his tank, though.
Yeah, but if you count him out now, guys, you'd be making a very big mistake. Mark my words. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Axe handle finds its target.
Have you ever seen a human being tossed like that?
Cutter! Inching closer to his partner. There it is. The tag has been made.
Oh, he needed that in the worst way, Michael.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Beautiful technique.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Guys, we've come a long way since the first ever WWE.
Cross the shoulders, up and check.
Is that it? Is it over?
Dropped like a bad habit.
Boom! What's he gonna do with it? Oh, what's this? Finn Balor is in all kinds of trouble. Well, that'll do some serious damage. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Byron digging into his encyclopedic mind earlier to pull out that amazing fact about the first WWE pay-per-view. As he said, it was the Wrestling Classic and to feature a 16-man tournament, which was ultimately won by the Junkyard Dog.
I'll give credit where credit's due. That's some impressive knowledge dropping by Saxton right there, especially considering he was like 4 years old when the Classic was held.
Elbow drop.
Piercing.
Face first. Gosh. No! Face first. Snake eyes. He's on his heels. His hopes of winning this match appear to be dwindling in a hurry.
Oh, nasty impact.
Ooh, what impact. Boom! He's taking some offense, but not for a second do I expect him to back down now.
I can tell you with all certainty that he did not anticipate his opponent mounting any sort of comeback here. And it looks like he was wrong. Very wrong. What a scary drop.
Irish whip. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy. Yanked him right off the apron.
Oh, no.
Neck breaker.
Watching this match, I can't help but think how much pay-per-views have grown over the years. I mean, remember the ones back in the 1980s, which were great, don't get me wrong, but now they've really grown into such a major spectacle.
Nope, reverses it.
Set it up.
He's too quick for him there. Well, you were saying before, Byron was spot on. WWE pay-per-views today really take... And he tags his partner in.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
Oh, damage to the body. That kick will stop you in your tracks. Boom, what impact. He's making a statement here with this attack. Oh, and he makes the tag.
That was a game changer right there, Michael.
Clothesline. And Finn Balor is really taking a pounding.
I don't know how much more Finn Balor has left.
I mean, it looks to me like he's almost completely out.
This is all but over.
Yeah, he's in bad shape right now. But come on, it's nothing we haven't seen him overcome in the past.
Nailed it. Good golly, what a knee. What a clothesline.
Good grief.
Boom.
And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
Face first. Gosh. Oof. Avoids trouble there. And now Finn Balor heads up.
Look at this.
Harsh impact. All this demoralizing damage to The Rock. How can he take the upper hand here? He can't be happy with how this is going right now.
Nothing good happens outside the ring, which is why I love it when guys go out there. Things are going to heat up now, fellas.
This is one of the more evenly matched.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, he is rolling. Torturous knee.
You gotta believe this one's over. Belly to belly. And the ref goes down.
We need a new ref out here, fast.
Got it.
Michael, that sledgehammer can cause some serious damage.
Nailed it. Ooh. He's looking at it.
Break your crown.
No doubt about that one.
Boom, what impact.
Oh, almost through the turnbuckle. Wow, what a gritty performance.
He's going for it all.
Finn Balor perched on top. Here it comes. Coup de grace. We may be looking at our winner here, guys. Oh, man, you can feel the impact of that move over here.
A dragon screw.
Oof.
Oh, clothesline. Elbow drop. Gonna have to shake off the moderate damage that's been inflicted here and find a way to maintain the upper hand. Long way down.
And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
Bulldog!
Having this pay-per-view here has to be a thrill for these fans. I can tell you that when Backlash came to Washington, D.C. in 2000, which wasn't all that far from me at the time, you couldn't go anywhere without hearing somebody talking about WWE coming to town.
Harsh impact. You gotta believe this one's over.
Beautiful technique.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. Oh, Corey, he unloaded there. What a slam. Impactful. Will jar your spine. Ooh, what impact. And that Backlash 2000 card that Byron brought up earlier might have been the most chaotic main event we've ever seen between The Rock and Triple H.
And in the end, it was The Rock defeating the game for the WWE Championship, despite Mr. McMahon stacking the deck against The Rock in a major way, including naming Shane McMahon as the special guest referee. Oh, nasty impact.
Spear!
Rough landing.
Right to the back of the neck.
Oh, debilitating elbow drop.
Double axe handle smash. This pay-per-view is packed with one great match after another, but guys, this is the one I've been looking forward to most.
Oh, what incredible power. Wow, what a vertical suplex.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nobody controls the pain.
Lights out, DDT connects. Warm up the bus, this one is over.
Boom! Inverted power slam.
Wow, really working over the body.
This one is over. Did you guys feel that too? boy, he is rolling.
Sharp knee. This might be it.
Oh, my.
Brutal knee right to the face.
Just when you thought he had nothing left.
Vicious attack.
Hooked up. Oh, trying to dislocate the shoulder. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
God, face first. Gosh, what a clothesline. Ouch. Conveyor.
Game, set, match. This one is over.
The impact of that move was well worth the risk, I'd say.
No, face first, snake eyes. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Took him out at the knee. Oh, he's got him here. He's got him. Oh! Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Up and face buster.
Watch out.
Bulldog. Boy, this has just been pandemonium.
Rock just barely got out of the way.
So quick. What a clothesline.
Good grief. Harsh impacts. How these superstars are even still in this match is beyond me, especially given how intense the match has been.
Ooh, what impact.
Beautiful side Russian leg sweep.
He's calling for it. Uh-oh. Bell buster.
See ya. To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
Nice job getting out of the way of that one.
Wow, look at that combination punch.
Oh, man. Backbreaker.
He finds himself in some big trouble here. This is about as bad as it gets for him.
So many bad things can happen outside the ring, and given his condition right now, he really needs to keep it inside the ring if he wants to win this thing.
Guys, you can tell he's drained, but I guarantee you that won't stop him from doing everything he can to win this thing.
Brought in the hard way.
Boom! Back suplex. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Tagged in. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron. I don't know how these superstars are doing it right now. They've got to be exhausted.
Escapes trouble there. Irish whip. Wait a minute. There goes the ref.
Man down.
What a throw. Oh, face first.
Good night.
Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Ooh.
Oh, just inflicting so much damage to the body.
He's looking a little weary here. Guys, he's going to have to turn things around quickly if he wants to win this thing.
Yeah, but the good news is that he still appears to be in better condition than his opposition right now. The Irishman has his Irish up.
Knee drop. Powerbomb. Inverted power slam. Wow. This might be it.
Oh, my. This one's over, guys. Oh, boy, he is rolling.
Oh, and it's trapped now in just a... Oh, no. We know what this is. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right.
But can he follow up here?
Oh, face first. Gosh. Thunderous slam. Oh, and it's a reversal. Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron. The Rock wants to take a chance. Look at this. Do what you gotta do to maintain the advantage.
I know The Rock's beloved, but I think he should tone it down a little.
There we go. Boom! Knee right to the face.
If that doesn't end it, I don't know what will.
Look at this.
You gotta believe this one's over. Ooh, he goes down hard. Yeah, he's definitely starting to fade now.
Oh, nasty impact.
What a stomp. Good grief.
Beautiful technique.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Nailed it.
This is exactly how he drew this one up. You gotta believe this one's over.
What a strike.
This is not the place where you want to underestimate your competition.
Absolutely not.
He's making a statement here with this attack. That has got to be it.
Talk about getting knocked into the middle of next week.
Harsh impact. At the arm. Oh my goodness, crushing it.
Devastating kick.
That's what he was looking for, Michael.
Uh-oh. This isn't going to be pretty.
Right to the back.
Gets out of the way of that. Whack.
Michael, that gives me meaning to have a seat. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what impact. Ooh.
Oh, nasty impact.
Uh-oh. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
In WWE, there's as much chaos outside the ring as there is inside the ring.
Try working with Saxton at ringside.
And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
He wants no part of the outside. Here it comes. He's got him.
He's teetering on the edge here.
This might be it.
Oh my. Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are. Yeah, that truly was a thing of beauty.
Too quick for him there.
You're not going to win many matches absorbing punishment like that.
Oh, clothesline.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what impact. And that one drops him.
Somebody's on a mission tonight.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, haven't seen this in a long time. The old air raid siren.
I don't know how you survive that. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize? This could end it in a hurry.
Oh, man, that hurt the back. Spine rattling.
Victory is on the horizon. And Finn Balor slips out of harm's way.
Extraordinary elusivity.
It's like he tapped into some unseen energy source. Oh, beautiful technique.
Oh, he's got him here. He's got him up.
And
Oh, look at it.
Balor looking to close this one out.
Down 19-16. Here's his moment, Michael.
And Finn Balor might have just secured the victory. Ooh, what impact.
Inverted power slam.
Wow.
Vicious attack.
That should do it.
He's not going to like this.
Here we go. Kinshasa.
Things are about as bad as they can.
Yes! Takes it! Here's another quick look at some of the highlights.
Hope everybody at home set those DVRs because that was a match you're going to want to watch again and again and again. Epic. There's good, there's great, and then there's downright unbelievable WWE action. Ladies and gentlemen, you just got a taste of the unbelievable kind.
Big Evil, Marcus, the Masked Man, and the Rock, the Natural Disasters.
What a back-and-forth battle that was. Without a doubt, he is among the most dominant